Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to switch from Microsoft account on your Windows PC to localhost account on your Windows PC. Bear in mind, you need to make sure you create a new user account before you can perform this task. After you create a new user account, that is when you can switch from your Microsoft account to your new localhost account. And at the same time, you need to be in mind that there are some of the app and software that you will no longer find when you switch to local account, because you are switching from one account to another account, which simply means that the previous account might not have the new localhost account as far as the account switch is concerned. So let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down to your startup menu right here where you have your Windows PC. Right click on your startup menu. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for Task Manager right here. And then on getting to Task Manager, go ahead and click on this icon right here. Click on User icon. Then you are here. Then you will have your Microsoft account user right here. So what you need to do right here is to right click on it and then go ahead and click on Manage User Account. And it's going to take you right here. You can see I have a single account right here, which is protected by password. If I want to switch from this account to my local host, what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on Manage Another Account. Now we have different accounts right here. I have already created this local account right here. So for me to switch, I just need to click on Local Account right here. Once you click on Local Account, the account will be fully switched into a local account on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.